It's like you super winter and I'm super summer.
Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to
What the Food. So this is a place for us to share the love of food and culture. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
That's right.
So a few weeks ago, Johnny and I finished and totaled this big giant Khao Tom Talay. And we actually added a little bit of this Kratiem, the garlic oil in there, and it's amazing.
Yeah.
We cannot underestimate the power of this little condiment, just a little bit, yeah.
It gives a strong kick to whatever you're eating.
It gives this little amazing garlicky flavor.
Yeah. We in Thai cuisine, we usually add it to savory foods. It's usually sprinkled as a topping and tossed into stir fries and soup noodle dishes and steamed seafood too.
Oh yeah, steamed seafood, like
Good
la
stuff.
luộc. It's so good.
Ooh,
yeah, you have to add that.
Stay tuned for it.
Yeah.
Possible video.
It's so good.
Hey guys, so you're gonna start with 3 heads of garlic, peel and all,
Well, if you want to use more than 3, you can totally do that.
and you're gonna separate them, pour them into a mortar and pestle, and you're gonna smash them until they're nice and fine. Don't worry about the peel, they're gonna add a nice crunchy texture to the end product.
That's right. Don't throw away the peel because they are gonna taste amazing. Next step, you're gonna heat up a pan with about 2 to 3 cups of oil. You wanna have the oil just enough to cover the garlic. Make sure you fry them in medium to low heat. Again, medium to low heat. No high heat. You gotta be patient with this thing.
So how long do you typically fry it for?
I actually don't know. Well, I guess you fry it until it turns brown.
Oh yeah, look at that
Yeah. So I would say maybe 5 to 7 minutes. Well, you just have to be patient, you know. Good food, you can't really rush it. You know, it's like having a baby. It takes 9 months, right?
Oh my gosh. Well, hopefully it doesn't take that long to make this. Alright guys, here it is, your beautiful fried crispy garlic and oil.
So you can usually store them for 3 to 4 months in room temperature. But I'm pretty sure you'll finish it before then because it's really good.
Yep.
Alright guys, we hope that you enjoyed the video and you were able to learn how to make this amazing garlic oil for all of your Thai cooking.
Yes. Let us know what you're planning to add this garlic oil to.
Yep,
And how
and
it tastes.
leave us a comment below and let us know how it turns out. Okay,
Alright, we'll see you guys in our next video.
see you next time. Bye.